Hello friends, good morning friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neeraj Chaul. Friends, today in this video I am here again to practice English with all of you. Friends, so now friends, I am here to practice English with all of you. And friends, if you are new English learners and if you are a student, if you are a teacher, and if you are a businessman, and if you are a businessman, and if you are a doctor, and if you are any kind of person, friends, you can watch this video till the end. Friends, if you are new English learners, then friends, if you want to improve your English, and friends, if you want to start your speaking journey, friends, then you want to get ideas, friends, you can watch this video. Friends, I promise you that if you watch this video till the end, you will get more benefits from this video. So this is my promise. Now friends, I am starting this video with all of you. And friends, before start this video, I want to appreciate my respected teacher who has given me this wonderful opportunity to speak here and to express myself. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak here and to express myself. And friends, before I start this video, friends, I also want to appreciate my respected audience who is watching me patiently from all over the world and all over the India, friends. So first of all, thank you for clicking this video. First of all, thank you for visiting my channel. And friends, thank you for accepting me, friends. Friends, if you are new viewers on my YouTube channel, and friends, first of all, you should subscribe this channel, and friends, you should like this video, friends, because if you like this video, if you subscribe this channel, friends, I will get motivation to make new videos for all of you, friends. I get motivate, friends. So please subscribe this channel. Now friends, we are going to start this video, friends. you know Friends, when we talk, when we start speaking English, yes, when we start speaking English, we start knowing about the world, friends. We start knowing about the world, friends. First of all, you should not start knowing about the world. You should not start knowing about the world, friends. You should start always knowing about yourself, friends. If you have knowledge about yourself, if you have ideas about yourself, you are able to express your thoughts, you are able to express yourself. It means you know you know everything about yourself. Somebody will ask you anything in English about yourself, you are able to express yourself, you are able to speak in front of that person. So that means, friends, you have ideas, you have so many things about yourself. Now friends, after knowing yourself, then start knowing your about the world, friends, about the world. So this is the very important, friends. But friends, one question arises here. Yes, one question arises here, that how will you express yourself, how will you share your thoughts with anybody, friends. In this video, I am going to introduce myself, and I am going to tell you something about myself. I am going to give you the information about my family. I want to every I will reveal everything about myself, friends. If you are watching this video, friends, you can get ideas that how will you start your speaking journey, how will you express yourself with anybody. Now friends, first of all, that I told you before, friends, my name is Neeraj Kumar, and friends, I am 19 years old student, friends. you know I am 19 years old student, friends. I am from Chandosi, and friends, I belong to nuclear family. Yes, I belong to small family. And friends, in my family there are 7 members, friends. I have 4 siblings and my parents, friends. you know I have 2 brothers. Yes, I have 2 sisters, friends. My elder brother's name is Mr. Anil Kumar, and my younger brother's name is Mr. Rahul Kumar, friends. And as I told you before that, friends, I have two sisters, friends. My elder sister's name is Mrs. Charandevi, and my younger sister's name is Mrs. Sridevi, friends. You know, my all siblings have got married, friends, but I didn't get married because, friends, friends, I am not married, friend, because in these days I am doing study, friends. I want to further study. Yes, I want to further study, so that's why, friends, I didn't get married, friends. I want to do some remarkable in my life, friends, and I want to fulfill my dreams. So, friends, I am doing my efforts for making fulfill my dreams. So now, friends, you know, as I told you, my all siblings have got married, friends. My father my father is a farmer, and friends, my mother was a housewife, friends. Why I am saying that my mother was a housewife, why I am not saying that my mother is a housewife, friend? Because, friends, in this time I do not have my mother, friends. I do not have my mother, friends, because I lost my mother before 2 years, friends. Before 2 years, friends. Yes, friends, but when I lost my mother, friends, I was I friends, I was upset, and I felt very bad, and friends, I was depressed, friends. Friends, I was not able to understand that what I should do, friends. I was not able to, friends. How come I overcome my this these problems? How I get out of my these problems, friend? I struggled a lot on that time. So now, friends, my mother was my best friend, and friends, I shared every problems of me with my mother, friends. He always helps me in my dream, and friends, he always used to say that this is my son, and friends, he used to say me that if you want whatever you want to do in your life, you should do, friends. He used to say me that you want to study, friends, you can study, friends. I am doing study because of my mother, friends, because he allowed me, friends. All my family members, they didn't allowed me, friends, to study further, friends, but my mother, friends, my mother, friends, used to believe me, and friends, she allowed me, and friends, I studied further, friends. But friends, in this time I do not have my mother. Yes, I did not have my mother, friends. I missed a lot, friends. She was very honest, and friends, she was very lovely, friends. Friends, I used to love a lot of my mother, friends. But friends, friends, my father is a good person, friends. He has a good humor, friends. He behaves good with all family members, and friends, he is 17 years old, friends. He is retired person, friends. But friends, my mother as not my father, friends. My father as my friends. He behaves me as my friend, friends. Friends, I share every problems with my father. Yes, I share every problems with my father, friends. He, friends, friends, you always support me. He always supports me, and friends, he allows me every whatever he want to do in my life, friends. So he is very honest person, friends. He is very honest, and friends, he is my idol, friends. Yes, he is my idol, friends. So this is all information about my father, and friends, my father, friends, struggled a lot in his life. Yes, my father struggled a lot in his life, friends. When my father, friends, when my father, he came to in my village, friends. Friends, we are living in a, friends, we are living at our granny's house. Yes, this is not my house, and friends, this is my granny's house, friends. When my father came to, friends, after his marriage, friends, 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 he managed everything as a son, friends, because my granny's and my grannies did not have his son, friends. So friends, my grannies called me my father, and friends, my father, friends, friends, my father fulfill his friends responsibility, friends. So friends, we didn't everything, friends. My father struggled a lot, friends. Friends, so this is information about my family. And friends, now I am moving forwards. As I told you, friends, that I have two brothers, friends. As I told you that my elder brother's name is Mr. Anil Kumar, friends. he is he is married, and friends, his wife name is Mrs. Santosh, and friends, he has two kids, and friends, his one kid's name is um, Mr. Pius, and second kid's name is Ria. Friends, friends, they are very cute, and friends, they loves me a lot. Friends, friends. So he is living a good life with his family, with his children, and friends, he is enjoying his life. So friends, this is all. And when, as I told you that I have my second brother, his name is Mr. Rahul Kumar, friends. He is he is married, and friends, he is married in 19, friends, in 2019, friends. Yes, friends, he has one daughter, and friends, his wife name is Mrs. Anjali, and friends, his daughter's name is Purvi, and friends, he is also enjoying his life with his family, with his children, and friends, he works in a factory, which factory called is Escort factory, friends. He makes a jeans pant in a factory, and friends, he works under builders, and this is so, friends. So this is very important. Now friends, he works in a factory under builders, and friends, now this is all information about my family, my brothers, my sisters, my parents, and about myself. Now friends, I would like to tell about my education background. Friends, I am not a higher educated person. Yes, I am not higher educated person, friends. I have done only 12th class from SM, from FR Inter College. Yes, I have done 12th class from FR Inter College, and friends, in these days I am doing graduation from SM Degree College. Yes, I am doing graduation from SM Degree College, and friends, you know, I am doing graduation in art streams. I am doing graduation from art streams because friends, why have I chosen these streams? Because friends, one incident happened in my life, friends. When I was in 12th class, yes, when I was in 12th class, friends, friends, I went Delhi to work, and friends, because I wanted to support my family financial, friends. I wanted to support my family financial, friends. I used to work in Delhi, friends. There I used to work, friends. I used to work in Delhi in under a builder, friends. Friends, that builder has a son, friends. His son was preparing for civil service exam, friends. Yes, he was preparing for civil service exam, friends. He used to come us, and friends, he used to talk us, and friends, he used to talk every friends, every talks as friends. He used to share how, friends, how his study is going on, friends. He used to tell everything, friends. No, friends, he told me that what are the benefits of doing preparation of civil service exam, and friends, he told me that why we should do this, do preparation for this exam, friends. She told me, and friends, no, friends, I was informed by him. Friends, I was so impressed by him. Friends, on that time, friends, I have decided that I am, after doing my 12th class, friends, friends, I will prepare for civil service exam. Friends, I come back home, and friends, I come back home, and friends, 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 on friends, on that time, friends, I admissioned in BA program, friends. I admissioned in BA program, and friends, because I wanted to prepare for civil service exam. Friends, no, on that time, friends, I was introvert person. Yes, I was introvert person, friends. I was no so confidence. I didn't have confidence on that time, friends. Friends, I used to feel fear of speaking. Friends, I was not able to speak in front of people. I was not able to speak in to a girl, friends. Friends, I used to, friends, feel very, I used to hesitate with speaking in front of people a one word, single word. So this is very important. Friends. I used to feel, friends. I was no confidence, friends. You know that, friends, that time, friends, I have realized that I should learn English, and friends, and I should learn some basic skills, friends. Then I started my journey, friends. For improving my confidence and for improving my skills, friends. First of all, friends, I have decided that I will start my teaching, friends. I will teach students that how, so that I can improve my communication skills, I can improve my public speaking, I can improve my confidence building, friends. I went back my primary school. There I used to study, and friends, there I completed my primary education, friends. There is my first teacher who, friends, friends, there is my first teacher, friends, who taught me, friends. I met him, friends. I shared this problem with him, friends. I said that I wanted to teach in your school. Can you, sir, can you allow me, friends? Friends, he smiled, and friends, he said, friends, why not? You want to teach, you can teach, because you are my old student. I have seen you are good, and friends, you can teach, friends. He allowed me. Then, friends, I start my teaching, and friends, I taught there around 1 year, friends. My friends, friends no friends no they were very happy by my teaching style, friends. Yes, they were very happy my teaching style, friends. Student were so impressed my teaching style, friends. Yes, they were so impressed, friends. They were so impressed, and friends, but friends, I have some knowledge of English language, friends. I used to teach English for the student, and friends, I have realized that, friends, I should go forwards, and friends, that, friends, that I have decided that I will open my institute, and I will teach my student English as a language, friends. Yes, that, friends. And then, friends, I took a room and on rent, and friends, this is that room that I took on rent. So, friends, here I teach my student. Yes, I teach my student, friends, English language, and friends, I do not teach only English here. I also teach my students some basic skills, like, friends, we can say time management, and confidence buildings, public speaking, and confidence building, and friends, we can see some basic presentation skills, we can see, friends. I have seen that, friends, today's our college and our schools, they are providing theoretical knowledge. Yes, they are focusing on providing theoretical knowledge, friends. They do not focus students skills, they do not focus students student ability, friends. Yes, they not focusing, they, friends, they have set up a syllabus, friends. They teach student according their syllabus, friends. They teach student according their syllabus, friends. They never think that what is the requirement in today's time, and student is student is uh, weak in, friends. They never think, friends. I have seen so many student, friends. They have good marks, friends. No, but they are not able to speak in front of people. they have so hesitation, they have lack of confidence, they are not able to speak in front of people. Friends, I have seen that Hindi medium students, friends, they are studying 12th class, they are studying in 10th class. Friends, they belong to English medium. Friends, you know they belong to English medium. Friends, but they are not able to speak in one word in front of people because they have ideas, they have friends, but they do not have knowledge. Yes, they do not have knowledge, they do not have language, how they can share their thoughts, how they can share their thoughts. So friends, I have seen that many students, they are struggling in this time. Friends, I have decided that I will teach my student English as a language. Friends, I will not teach English as a subject, but no, our teacher used to teach English as a subject. Yes, friends, when I was in my school, friends, you know, English, friends, English is English is used to taught as a subject, friends. But friends, this is not subject. Yes, friends, this is not subject. This is the language. Yes, this is a language. Why are you not understanding it, friends? Why are you not understanding it? This is not subject. This is a language. You have to understand it. You have to consider it, friends. So now, friends, and friends, I have decided that friends, friends, after teaching 1 year, and friends, uh, friends, I have developed some skills, and friends, I have realized that I should be a great teacher of English language. Yes, I have decided that I should be a great teacher, great leader, great teacher. I should be, friends, I should be a great teacher of English language. And friends, that's why I opened my institute. And friends, so friends, this is my dream, friends. Because why I want to become English teacher, why I want to become only teacher, friends? Why? Because friends, there is only one person who can save this world. Why his knowledge? Why his knowledge? There is only, because friends, engineer become engineers become only because of teacher. Teacher teacher becomes only because of teacher. you know Friends, leaders becomes only because of teacher. Friends, IAS IPS becomes only about teacher. Friends, so this is very important. Now friends, I used to listen music in my free time. And friends, so many things. Now friends, I'm going to talk about my English, friends, sub English language. Friends, English language, and how we should think about English language. I will reveal the true about the language. Now friends, first of all, you have to understand that, friends, English has become a global language. Yes, English has become a global language. Friends, we cannot escape ourselves from English language. Yes, we cannot escape ourselves from English language because it is the part of our life. It is the part of our life. We cannot escape ourselves from English language. Friends, friends, in today's time, there are so many languages have put their forth, put their interest to be labeled as a global language. There are so many language have put their language to be their forth, their interest to be global language. But friends, I told you before that none of other language, friends, none of any language has become a global language. There is only English has become a global language, friends. Yes, but English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people, friends, who did not know English language because they want to their language to be global language. But friends, friends, I believe that so English as a global language would be accepted. So many would be accepted. Friends, would be accepted English as a global language, would be accepted global language. Friends, yes, would be accepted global language. friends. Because friends, people already know somewhat English language, friends, in many parts of the world, friends. Yes, people, because friends, there are so many words are used in other countries. Yes, used in other countries, in other countries language, friends. So that's why people already know somewhat English, and friends, they are able to understand English easy, friends. It is not friends difficult for them, friends. I have experienced that, friends, English is the easier language to learn. Yes, English is easier language to learn, friends. Why I am saying these things, friends? When I, friends, before 2 years, before 3 years, friends, I did not know English. What is English? I did not, friends. I do not have ABCD of English language, friends. But no, friends, I start my journey, friends. Today I am able to speak in front of you, friends. But yes, I am making some mistakes, friends. But I am putting my efforts and I am speaking English. So this is my, friends. So this English is very important, friends. I have said you that English is easier language to learn, friends, because, friends, it has only 26 letters. Yes, it has only 26 letters, friends. Which letters are used to make words, to make sentences? Yes, to make words, to make sentences, friends. So this is very important. Now, friends, this is very important to make words, and friends, it is also easy for non-native speakers. Yes, it is also easy for non-native speakers to understand written English, friends, because they are able to understand written English, friends. This is very important, friends. you know I have seen that, friends, English is being used in so many fields. Yes, English is being used in so many fields, like we can say education and politics, economics, film industries, and industries. In so many fields English is being used, friends. So we cannot ignore English language. Yes, we cannot ignore, friends. We have to accept it, friends. We need to accept it, friends. We need to accept it, friends. That, friends, I have seen that if you have the knowledge of English language, and friends, your English makes travel easier. Yes, your English makes travel easier, friends, because if you want to travel and all over the world, friends, you need to communicate with other countries people, friends. If you know, friends, if you know English language, you can communicate with them easily. You can communicate with them easily, friends. But if you do not know English language, friends, you will face so many difficulties in communicating with them. So this is very simple way, friends. So English will, friends, English helps you to travel all over the world, friends. So now, friends, I have seen that, friends, I have seen, friends. So it is very easy, friends. It is called the language of international job, international business. It is called the language of international job, international business, friends. Friends, it is not only for job, friends. Suppose if you want to start your business, and if you want to be businessman, and friends, you want to expanded your business at international language, international level, friends, you need English language. Yes, you need English language, friends. It is very important. Suppose you are a businessman, and friends, you have meeting at international level. Yes, you have meeting at international level, friends. If you want to attend that meeting, friends, first of all, you, friends, you should know English language. Yes, friends, if you know English language, friends, you can attend that meeting easily. Yes, you can attend that meeting easily, friends. If you do not know English language, friends, you will face so many difficulties in attending that meeting, because, friends, there is more possibility that that meeting could be done in English language. Yes, there is more possibility. So please identify this. So, friends, that friends, I have realized that friends, if you want to be pilot, if you want to be air hostess, and friends, you need English language, because there you have to communicate in English language, because friends, other countries people and other states people, friends, traveled to other states, because there you have to communicate English language. So friends, there your mother tongue will not help you, there your mother tongue will not help you, English will help you in that particular job. So this is very important. Friends, as I told you before, that friends, English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people who don't know this language, and who want their language to be global language. Friends, yes, friends, we can say that India, we can say friends, Chinese people also want their language to be global language. We can see, friends, because China did not know English. Yes, China did not know English. English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. But friends, China is, friends, China is, friends, China is capturing the market in today. Friends, China is capturing the market today. Friends, China will not give you a chance. China will not give you a chance, friends. That if you want to make good career, you need English language. Yes, you need English language. So this is very important. So friends, Esperanto is another language. Yes, Esperanto is another language, friends, whose supporter want their language to be global language. Friends, they believe that it should be English. It should be a global language. They believe that it is not based on any culture. Yes, they believe it is not based on any culture. Friends, it is the invented language. So that it could be English as a global language. But friends, I have already told you that none of language has become a global language. Only English has become a global language. So this is very important. We need to accept it, friends. We need to accept it. So this is very important. Now, friends. So this is very important. But friends, no, friends, there are so many people, are sitting here. Yes, there are so many people are sitting here. There is student are sitting here, doctors are sitting here, and some engineers are sitting here. Friends, there are so many people can say, oh sir, oh sir, you are promoting English language, you are promoting English language, and you are promoting other countries language. But sir, you should not promote other countries language, you should not promote English language, you should promote Hindi language, and you should promote your mother tongue. Why are you promoting other countries language? Why are you promoting Hindi language? Why are you promoting English language? You should promote your mother tongue. But friends, remember one thing, notice one thing, friends, our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. Yes, our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. It is not very useful in our professional life. Yes, it is not, friends. Professional life, it is, friends. But it does not mean that I am saying that you should forget your mother tongue. Friends, please don't forget your mother tongue, because friends, we love maximum our mother tongue. Friends, we cannot forget our mother tongue. So this is very important, friends. But our mother tongue is not very useful in today's time. Now it is not very useful in our professional life, friends. But you don't need to learn Hindi language once more. Yes, you don't need to learn your mother tongue once more, because you are, this is your mother tongue, friends. This is your mother tongue. You are excellent in your mother tongue. You don't need to learn your mother tongue once more, friends. But friends, in our professional life, we need English. Yes, in our professional life, we need English. In our personal life, we need Hindi. But friends, don't don't speak English at your house. Please don't speak English at your house, friend. But outside the house with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English language, friends. Even if you make some mistakes in English language, yes, even if you make some mistakes in English language, please try to speak in English language, friends. Friends, even if you make if you make some mistakes in English language, please don't worry, friends. Please don't worry, friends. Don't worry, friends. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to speak English language, friends. Please try to speak English language. Why we are not able to speak English language, friends? Why? Because we never practiced English language. We always speak in our mother tongue, so we are expert to speak our mother tongue. Because it is pronunciation is very easy, because it is our mother tongue, friends. English pronunciation is difficult, friends. It is very difficult, so please understand it, friends. No, it is very important, friends. So friends, no, if I say there are so many people are sitting here, friends, do all of you want to be successful? You will say yes sir, we all of you want to be successful, friends. But remember one thing, that real success will come when you change your mindset. Yeah, real success will come when you change your mindset, friends. you know if you know English language, you can impact the world. Yes, you can impact the world while learning English, friends. Not, not world is impacting you, friends. Not world is impacting you, but you can impact the world while learning English, friends. The entire world is yours if you know English, friends. If you do not know English language, however excellent you are, you don't get as much success. So please understand, friends. Please learn English language, friends. So this is very important. And friends, if I say that please, and excuse me ma'am, what do you want to become? And excuse me sir, what do you want to become? You will say I want to become a teacher. You will say I want to become a doctor. You will say I want to become a businessman. But friends, I already know all of you, you don't want to become like that. Yes, all of you don't want to become like that, because all of you want to become a good earner in this time. All of you want to become a good earner in this time, friends. So all of you want to become a good earner, friends. All of you want to become a good earner, friends. All of you want to become a good earner, friends. Because today's time everyone is focusing only to earn money. Yes, today everyone is focusing to earn money, friends. Nobody is focusing on his skills, on his requirements, on his knowledge. Nobody is focusing. Everyone is focusing to earn money, friends. Because today everything is possible by money. Yes, everything is possible by money. But friends, you know are you forgetting something? Yes, are you forgetting something? Are you in your sense, guys? Friends, we need to accept that money is not everything. All of us, please understand. Money is not everything, friends. Money is not everything. Money is not everything, friends, for all of us, friends. Because money can buy a flat, not life. Money can buy a book, but not knowledge. Money can buy, friends, a boat, but not time. Money can buy a beautiful thing, but it can never buy happiness. It can never buy joy. It can never buy peaceful life, guys. Do you remember? Do you notice that? Do you remember? Do you notice that money can buy this stage, but it can never buy confidence, guys? It can never buy confidence, friends. No, there are so many people are sitting here, friends. So please, in my humble request, in my humble request. So please don't run after money, friends. Please don't focus to chase money. Yes, please don't focus to chase money, friends. That your family start asking for time to talk to you, that your family think 100 times to call or not. My sister, my brother, my son, my daughter, my wife, like that. So please don't run after money, friends. Please don't run after money. Please don't run after your money, friends. So please, in my humble request, friends, no, there are so many people are sitting here, and friends, they can say, yes sir, you are speaking wrong English and you don't know good English. Friends, you are not speaking. But friends, I have decided that yes, I have decided that first of all I will learn English. Yes, I will learn English, friends, and after that, friends, I can get a job, and I can, friends, I can do everything through English. So that means, guys, but you are only focusing to earn money. Yes, you are only focusing to earn money. You are only focusing to earn money. So please don't focus to earn money. Friends, focus on yourself, focus on your skills, focus on your requirements, focus on your knowledge. So this is the needs today's time. So friends, friends, I have realized that, friends, I have noticed that, friends, that time heals everything. Yes, time heals everything, friends. Time heals everything. But remember one thing: time never comes. Time never comes. Time never comes. Friends, as we were talking about English language, friends, there are so many students are sitting here, and friends, there are so many people are sitting here, and friends, they can say, sir, we can't learn English language because we are Hindi medium student, we are big students, we are average student, we did not know English. Friends, they can say. But friends, friends, I am sure that there is not a student, there is not a student here who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. There is not a student here who did not write English in the 10th class. Friends, no, because English is there in first class, English is there in 12th and 10th class, English is there in 12th class plus 2, English is there in graduation. Friends, yes, English is there in graduation. Friends, but friends, how can you say that you are Hindi medium student, you belongs to Hindi medium? Friends, how can you see? Friends, out of 10 years of Hindi, out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English. How can you say that you are Hindi medium student? Friends, how can you say? Out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning English language. Please remember, friends, English is not my mother tongue. Yes, English is not my mother tongue. English is to me a strange language. Yes, English is to me a strange language. Friends, yes. If I say, is my English all good? You will say, yes, sir, your English is excellent. You are speaking good English. You know English very well. But friends, remember one thing, that who learned English with a lot of difficulties. Yes, with a lot of difficulties. School does not matter. Hindi medium, government school does not matters. What matters is motivation. What matters is desire. What matters is burning desire. So this is very important for learning any skills. Friends, that we learn English from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. We learn so many things from YouTube channel. But friends, we are not able to learn anything. Yes, we are not able to learn anything because, friends, we do not have motivation. We do not have any burning desire. We do not have any purpose. We do not have any intent and purpose. Why? How? How can you learn anything? How can you learn, friends? How can you learn anything? How can you learn anything, friends? Because it is the very requirement things. This is the motivation and desire. desire to learn anything. So this is very important. Now friends, this is very important. Friends, I told you that the introduction of English language, and I told you the importance of English language. Friends, I told you that what, friends, why we should learn English language. Yes, why we should learn English language. So this is very necessary language, friends. We cannot escape ourselves from English language. We have to learn English, friends. We have to learn English. So why we, friends? So this is very important. Now, friends, I'm going to tell you that, friends, we want to learn some skills, we want to learn, and we want to join some courses, we want to do so many things in our life, friends, but why we are not able to do anything? Because, friends, we often makes we often we often make some mistakes learning any language in our journey, friends. We often make mistakes, friends. Yes, you know friends, yes, we often make mistakes, friends. In this video I will tell you only 10 mistakes, friends, people do, friends. Friends, we are starting knowing our mistakes, friends. Somebody said rightly, yes, somebody said rightly that if you want to solve your problems, yes, if you want to solve your problem, first of all you must know your problems. Yes, you must know your problems, friends. If you do not know your problems, you can't solve it. You can't solve it because you do not know your problems, friends. First of all, know your problems, friends, then solve it. So this is very important. Now, friends, our first mistake is, friends, this is the people don't take an action. Yes, people do not take an action, friends, because there are so many people, students, they want to speak English in front of people, they want to learn English in front of people, friends. People want to make their body, friends. People want to join some service, some, and friends, people want to do remarkable in their life, friends. Why? But people do not take an action. Yes, do not take an action, friends. This is the first mistakes which is done by so many people, which is done by so many students. Yes, people do not take an action. And friends, second mistake is this, friends. Friends, why I am saying this mistake, that this is the big mistake, this is the first mistake, because, friends, that suppose you want to make your body, friends, you need to go to gym, but, friends, still you don't go, friends, still you don't go, friends. How can you make your body? This is a simple funda, friends. If you want to make your body, you need to go to gym, you have to go to gym, friends, you have to go to gym. So this is the process you have to do, you have to indulge action, friends. Like one two, friends, that if you want to be if you want to be swimmer, 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 if you want to be swimmer, friends, you need to get into the water, you need to get into the water, friends, first. If you do not get into the water, friends, how can you be a good swimmer? Swimmer, 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 how can you be a good swimmer, friends? You need to get into the water first, then, friends. And, friends, likewise, that if you want to be a good speaker English language, friends, then you need to speak every single day. This is the, please, you need to speak every single day, friends. You need to speak every single day, friends. Yes, you need to speak every single day, friends. You can't be a good speaker, you can't be, friends, a good swimmer, you can't be a good, friends, a good builder, friends, bodybuilder, by just reading a book, you can't be, because, friends, we need to implementation all these things in our life. Yes, this is the first mistakes. Now, friends, I am talking about our next mistake, friends. That, friends, people do not continue his work. Yes, people do not continue their work. Their work. People do not continue their work. Friends, friends, you have joined this course. Yes, you have joined this course because you want to improve your English. you have joined this course. I hope of improving your English, friends. It means that you have started your journey, friends. But no, people does not continue his work, friends. Out, friends. Out of hundreds students, only 10 peoples and take action, friends. But only 1 or 2% people continue his work, still his their goals, still their goals. So this is the second mistake. Mahatma Buddha said that human makes two mistakes, that friends, he does not start his work whatever he wants to do, friends. Second mistake is, friends, he does not continue his work. He does not continue his work. This is the second mistake. So friends, this is very important, friends. Taking action is, friends, is going to improve your English. Not taking action, you are not getting any result. You are not getting any result, friends. It is the funda, friends. You need to put in efforts. Yes, you need to put in efforts. Without putting efforts, you can't do anything. Now friends, this is our first mistakes. Yes, this is our first mistakes. Now friends, I am going to move on our third mistake. Mistakes number third, friends, this is the self doubt. Yes, self doubt, friends. Self doubt. There are so many students, they want to speak in front of people, they want to learn so many skills, they want to do in so many things in their life, they want to achieve so many things in their life, they have dreams, they want to fulfill their dreams. But friends, they have self doubt, friends. There are so many students, they have mindset of beggar, friends. They do not keep the mindset of king, friends. you know Here I teach my student, friends. There are so many students, they come to us, and friends, they ask that, sir, will I be able to speak English after doing your course? Friends, I simply say, why not? You can speak English in fluent manner if you joined my course and if you do efforts with my guidance, friends. This is simple. And friends, they ask again that, will I be able to speak English after doing your course? I simply say again, why not? Please, you can speak English, but you have to put in efforts. And friends, they ask third time, and they ask that, will I be able to, can I speak English after doing your course? Friends, I simply say, no, you can't speak English, friends. They start asking, why are you saying this, sir? Why are you saying this? Friends, if you do not believe in yourself, if you do not have self motivation, friends, how can I judge you? Friends, you are not willing to improve your English. What can I do for you? What can I do for you, friends? What can I do for you? Please understand. What can I do for you, friends? What can I do for you, friends? You have built up your, friends, you have built up this typical notion that, friends, you think that you are not good, nothing much, friends. You are not good. And friends, you have to need change your mentality. Yes, you need to change your mindset, friends. Change your mindset from negative to positives. Change your attitude from negative to positives, friends. Don't think, oh, friends, rather than saying that I can't do in my life, I can't fulfill my dreams, I can't achieve my dreams, say you can do everything. You are the one person in this world, friends. There is not person like you. You can fulfill your dreams, friends. Please motivate yourself, please boost yourself, friends. This kind of things, friends, boost your confidence, boost your confidence. So please understand, friends. Please don't be nervous, don't be dubious, please don't be dubious, friends. Please don't be celibate, friends. Please believe in yourself and believe in your, friends, hope. So this is a very important, friends. Friends, there are so many people, they limit their potential power. Yes, they limit their potential power because they they are constantly about, what will people think about them. They think, what will people think about them, friends. But you should not think about the people. First of all, You need to, friends, you need to focus on your dreams. You need to focus on your aim, friends. This is need, friends. But you are, friends, you, friends, you surrender yourself with the society pressure. You surrender yourself, friends. Friends, 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 after happening all these things, friends, your confidence weakens and your inner satisfactions fades away. This is the reason, friends, as a result. But friends, we should, we should follow our dreams, friends. We should follow our dreams, because friends, society judgment are temporary. But friends, your self belief and your self respect are not temporary, friends. Your judgment are not temporary. Your personal opinions and your personal, friends, choices are influenced by society judgment. Why is this, friends? Why is this? Because, friends, we do not believe in ourselves. We do not believe, friends. Believe in yourself, respect in yourself, friends. Know that your confidence start boosting. Yes, your confidence start boosting. Please, your confidence start boosting, friends. This is the very simple, friends. Your confidence start boosting, friends. Your confidence start boosting, friends. You can achieve in your life whatever you want to do. Simply simple. Now, friends, our moving on our fourth mistake. This is the, friends, that, friends, wanting overnight result. Yes, wanting overnight result, friends. Nothing is happens overnight. Yes, nothing happens overnight, friends, because everything takes time. Yes, everything takes time, friends. Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day, friends. It took a time. It took a time. Your English is also going to take time. So please don't want overnight result, friends. Don't, friends. No, you know you are learning English, and friends, you are learning English, and friends, you want to improve yourself. You want to improve your English language, and friends, you learn English and 1 week and 1 month, and friends, sometimes you speak in somewhat English and you deliver one speech and two speech. Then you start comparing yourself with others. Yes, you start comparing yourself with others, friends. How can you compare yourself with the extraordinary person who is speaking well English? How can you compare, friends? You cannot compare yourself with extraordinary person, friends. You can compare your progress with previous day progress. You can compare your progress with previous day progress. Then you can see result. So, friends, you compare yourself with extraordinary person, and friends, you get demotivated and you give up. So this is the reason. Please don't compare, friends. Don't compare yourself, friends. When you compare yourself, friends, when you compare yourself, friends, this kind of things, friends, is still your happiness. Yes, is still your happiness. Because please remember one thing, friends. Everybody has different abilities. Everybody has different strengths. Everybody has different problems. Why are you comparing yourself, friends? Believe in yourself and do efforts. You know, friends. So this is the reason, friends. Somebody is succeed, and friends, you feel jealous. Yes, you feel jealous, friends. Don't feel jealous, friends. Get inspired, friends. Get motivation and do hard work for your dreams. And friends, you can be successful. You can be a successful. Don't feel jealous, friends. If you do work hard with your, from your heart, from your pace soul, why will you not successful? Why will you not successful? So this is a very important. Now, friends, don't compare yourself, friends. Don't compare yourself, friends. you know Friends, now this is the mistakes number fourth. Now, friends, I am moving our next mistakes number 5. This is the fair, friends. No intent and no purpose. Yes, this is the biggest mistake we often do, friends. we often do, friends. Suppose you want to go to Delhi, you want to take bus for Delhi, but friends, you don't know that where you have to go, friends. You can't go anywhere if you do not know where you have to go, because first of all, you should be a goal. Yes, you should be a goal, because goals gives goals will give you direction, and can then you can put in put your efforts, then you can put your efforts. So first we have a goal. So this is the first. Now friends, you know but friends, some people say that we do not know grammar, we do not know vocabulary, we do not know more much grammar, friends. But if you do not know grammar, that's fine. If you do not know advanced structures, that's fine, friends. That's fine. But friends, if you have intent and purpose, if you have intent and purpose, if you have intent and purpose, friends, that you can convey your message. Like friends, suppose you want to go to Delhi, and friends, you are at bus stop, and friends, if you do not know English language, friends, but no, conductor knows English. There is standing a conductor in front of you. Conductor knows English, but you do not know English, friends. How would you ask him that you want to take bus for Delhi, friends? You can say, sir, I ticket go Delhi, ticket go Delhi, friends. You can talk like this way, because you have intent and purpose, friends. You can easily convey your message. But if you do not have intent and purpose, you can't speak, friends. So this is very important. Now friends, I am moving or our next mistakes we often make. Friends, this is the mistakes number 6. Friends, this is the no clarity of concepts. Yes, we do not have clarity of concepts, so we are not able to speak. Friends, you have learned so many things. Friends, you have learned each MR, was by tense models and so many things. But friends, you do not know how to use all these things in a practical way, friends. Knowing is one thing and implementation is second things. So this is, you need to understand it, friends. Exam are was by how you have learned, but you don't know that how you can use these words in your conversation. So this is the practical game, friends. Knowing, friends, you have to implement these all things. You have to implement friends. If I say you have to come on the stage, and if I say speak whatever you want to speak, friends, you can't speak a one single word, friends. You maybe your mind is, friends, your mind is blank, friends, because you do not have intent and purpose. If I say is you have to speak on trees, friends, then your whole energy will concentrate trees. Then your mind is start getting ideas related trees, then you can start. But if you do not have purpose, if you do not have um, clarity concepts, you can't speak, friends. Why we are friends self doubt? Why we have self doubt? Because friends, our purpose and our intent is not clear, friends. We do not know how we do next steps. So this is the main reason of self nervousness. So now friends, I am moving on our next step. This is mistakes number 7, friends. This is the, friends, that this is called, friends, comfort, unwillingness to comfort zone. Yes, unwillingness to comfort zone, friends. People want to be successful, people want to be do remarkable in their life, friends, but people do not want to leave their comfort zone, friends. They do not love to leave their comfort zone, friends, because they are comfort zone in their situation. But friends, they do not know that this is the compatibility is the biggest problem for them, friends. If you want to make your life, if you want to be successful, you have to little bit uncomfortable yourself. So this is a very important. Now friends, this is very important. Friends, you have to leave your comfort zone. If you uh, if you want to improve your life, and if you want to do something remarkable in your life, you have to improve. Now friends, I am moving on our next step. This is the mistakes. Friends, glossophobia. Yes, glossophobia. Friends, do you know the meaning of glossophobia? Friends, glossophobia means that it is the very familiar. This is the familiar words. Glossophobia. Friends, glossophobia means having fear of public speaking. Yes, having fear of public speaking. Friends, there are so many people, they want to speak in front of people. Yes, they want to speak in front of people, they want to learn English language. Friends, they have fear of public speaking. Friends, you know friends, but if you want to get friends, if you want to get out of your fear from your friends, you have to face your audience. Yes, you have to face your audience. This is a simple way, friends. This is a simple way. You have to face your audience. Friends, yes, you have to face your audience. Friends, yes, you have to face your audience. Friends, yes, you have to face your audience. Friends, oh, this is a simple way. Friends, if you friends get opportunity to speak in front of people on the stage, friends, please grab those opportunities. Friends, please, please speak more and more in front of people. Friends, then you can overcome your mistakes. You can overcome your fear. This is a simple way. You have to speak in front of people. Claustrophobia. Friends, this is the second biggest fear on this planet after that. That is first biggest fear on this planet. After that, this is the biggest, friends. This is very important. Now, friends, I told you some mistakes we often makes, and those mistakes stops us is from speaking. Speaking, yes, these mistakes stops us speaking. So now friends, as I told you that friends, I am going to talk about that how will you learn English language. Yes, how will you learn English language. Friends, how will you talk about. Friends, if you want to learn English language, first of all you should know that what are the things in a language. What are the things in a language. Friends, you should know. Friends, in a language, friends, in a language, there are, friends, there are four things. Yes, there are four things. One is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. There are four things, friends, that if you want to learn any language, if you want to be a great speaker, and if you want to improve, if you want to take your English to the next level, friends, you must know these four things: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Friends, if you know these four things, it means you know the language. You are able to communicate yourself with anybody. You are able to read and understand once time at once. So this is the four skills we have to learn these one by one. These are the four skills. So this is very important. Now friends, I am going to talk about skill number one. Friends, reading. Yes, reading is the one skills of this is the these are we can say these are the pillars of any language. Friends, this is the first pillar of language. Reading. Friends, if I say, are you reading English in your life? Do you read English daily? Friends, you will say, yes, friends, I read English daily. Yes, I read English daily. Friends, I read magazines, I read newspaper, I read stories, I read novels. I read so many things every day. Why, friends? But I already know you read all these things only for meaning. Friends, you read only all these for meaning. Friends, when we read anything once time, only meaning becomes clear. Yes, only meaning becomes clear. Friends, you never try to read all these things for language, for improvement. You never try, friends. So this is the big reason. Friends, please remember one thing, that meaning is not important for improvement. Yes, meaning is not important for improvement. Friends, what is important for improvement? Friends, first of all, you should have motivation. You should have purpose and intent for improving yourself, for learning any skills. So this is very important, friends. And when you are reading books, when you are reading passages and newspaper, friends, please notice each sentence, and notice that how, what kinds of language is used in this particular passage. And friends, identify sentences and identify words, how is concentrate constructed, which notice each words. So this will help you improve your English language. Friends, there are so many students, and I have seen that there are so many teachers, they suggest their students that if you want to improve your English language, if you want to improve your English, friends, they suggest that you should read 20 books and 10 page in a day. You should read 20 books and 10 page in a day. But friends, I am not suggesting here all these things. Friends, I am saying only one thing, that friends, I am saying only one thing, friends, that if you want to improve your English language, if you want to be a great speaker of English language, friends, you read only one page and two page in a day. But friends, remember one thing, that you have to read two page and one page in a day at least 10 times and 20 times. You have to read it again and again. You have to read it again and again. Friends, you will say, why sir is repeating so many times? Friends, do you know that B repeat anything, B becomes master of these things. Friends, it can becomes a, it can become a part of our memory. Yes, once it become once it becomes a part of our memory, we can use it and anytime with anybody. Yes, we can use it in any time with anybody. We can use it because it is the part of our memory. Yes, friends, it is the part of our memory. We can use it. We can use it, friends. Friends, you can use it in while conversation, while listening, while speaking, while writing, because it is the part of your memory. So this is the first thing, friends. You have to do this thing for reading. You have to notice these things while reading. Now, friends, I am moving on our next steps. Yes, I am moving on our next steps. Yes, I am moving on our next steps, friends. Friends, this is called writing. Friends, this is the main pillar of any language. Friends, you are able to write means you know the language. You are able to write on any topic, on any time. Friends, it means you know the language. So this is very important. Now, friends, how will you start your writing journey? Yes, how will you start and how will you learn how to read in English language? Friends, if you want to write in English language, if you want to learn how to read English language, friends, I will give you 2 points. Yes, I will give you 2 points. You can follow any points, friends. First point is, friends, you want to start your writing journey. First of all, you must know basic grammars. Basic grammar. You must know basic grammar. You must know basic words of English language, like we can say is, am, are, was, were. You have to know these words, friends. So this is very important. Now, friends, then you next step you have to do that, choose one topic in a day. Yes, choose one topic in a one day. And friends, start thinking about this topic. Yes, start thinking about this topic. And like you choose education, friends, you can think about education and and friends, next day choose same topic and think about this topic again. Think about, friends, think about this topic again, friends. But this time you have to think, friends, 20 lines and 30 lines. And friends, next day and please choose same topic and think again about this topic. But this time, friends, you have to think, friends, 40 lines and 80 lines. But friends, if you practice like this way, you can improve your written English. Friends, after 1 month and 1 month and 2 months, you can notice that, friends, your English, friends, you are reducing your Hindi language. Your English is becoming more. You can notice this. So this is the way, friends, you can practice, friends. So this is the very important. Now, friends, I am saying, talking about another point, another point. This is, friends, suppose you get very angry with your friends. Yes, suppose you get very angry with your friends, and friends, you want to fight with your friends. Yes, you want to fight with your friends, but friends, in my humble request, according to me, please don't fight with them. Please don't fight with them, friends, because fighting will create problems. Yes, fighting will create problems, friends. Please don't fight with them, friends. Please come back to the house and enter your study room and sit on your study chair, and friends, take your pen, take your uh, notebook, and friends, start thinking, why do you get angry with your them? Why, friends, why do you get angry with your them, with them, and why are you hating them? Please think about them, but and start writing 10 lines and 20 lines on that time. Now, friends, you know, after writing 20 sentences and 30 sentences, you feel relaxed, you feel happy, friends, you feel happy. Friends, this is called the written communication. Friends, this is called written communication because we have maximum fluency in our written communication. We have maximum fluency in our written communication. So this is very important. So friends, I have made 2 points for your writing. Friends, you can follow it. Now, friends, I am moving on our next steps. This is, friends, listening. Friends, yes, this is the third pillar of any language. This is the most important parts. Friends, parts here. Reading and listening, these are called foundation of any language. Reading and listening, these are called foundation of any language. Friends, I hope you know the meaning of foundation. Friends, do you know the meaning of foundation, friends? No. If you do not know the meaning of foundation, friends, I will tell you that, friends, that if you want to build, building, that, friends, you need foundation. That if you want to learn any language, so you have to know the listening, friends. So this is the foundation. Friends, some people say, sir, why we need to learn, friends, why we need to learn, we listen English. Why we need to listen English? Friends, because when you listen English, friends, when you listen to English, listening will give you correctness. Yes, listening will give you correctness, listening will give you pronunciation, listening will give you language, listening will give you, friends, vocabulary, listening will give you, friends, and ideas. So this is very important. This is very important for improving your English. This is very important. Now, friends, this is very important. Friends, when we listen to English, when we listen to English, friends, when we listen to English, all of all of friends, all of us, we do mistakes. We do mistakes, friends. If I am speaking in English language, friends, you start translating it into your mother tongue to understand. You start it into your mother tongue to understand. All of us do this, not only you. Everybody does this. So please, do not need to translate it into your mother tongue to understand. You don't need to translate it into your mother tongue to understand. You don't need to, friends. We do not need to translate it into our mother tongue, friends. We need to understand it English to English. Yes, we need to understand it English to English. So please don't translate. We do not need to translate a version. Yes, we do not need to translate it version, friends. We have to, you know, we have to understand it only English to English. Yes, we have to understand it only English to English. Yes, we have to understand it only English to English, friends. So this is very important. Now friends, this is very important. This is very important, friends. There are so many people, they start their listening journey, and friends, there are so many people, they jump watching movies, they jump listening podcast, friends. But I am suggesting that if you are starting your listening journey, you should not jump on watching movie, you should not jump on listening podcast, friends, because podcast and in movies, they use advanced language. Yes, they use advanced language. You are not able to understand these parts, you are not able to understand English movies, friends. You should start your listening journey with watching kids stories, watching cartoons, and you can, friends, because they use simple language. Yes, they use simple language, friends. You are able to understand that. So please understand. And friends, after listening 1 month and 2 months, friends, after 1 month and 2 months, friends, you can, friends, friends, you can jump watching television, watching movies, listening friends podcast, you can watch. So this is the, friends, this is the roadmap, you can follow it. Now friends, this is the very important for improving your English language. Now friends, I am going to talk about our friends fourth pillars of English language. This is very important. This is called speaking, friends. Speaking is the most important. Yes, speaking is the most important pillar of any language, friends. There are so many people, they know grammar. There are so many people, they know vocabulary. There are so many people, they know so many things. But friends, still they are not able to speak English language. They are not able to speak English language. Why they are not able to speak English language? Because friends, they are not starting their journey, friends. They are waiting for perfection to come. They are waiting for perfection to come. They think that somebody will come and they will help, he will help me and I will start, friends. They think that once I become perfect, then I will start speaking, friends. But why are you forgetting that, friends? Speaking comes only by speaking. Yes, speaking comes only by speaking. Please don't wait anybody who will come, who will help you, friends. There is nobody in the world who can improve your English language. Yes, who can improve your English language, friends? There is not in the world, friends. There is only one person who can help you, friends. This is the you. You can improve your English language, you can help your English language. So this is very important. You can, friends, there is only one person, friends. Don't depend on teacher, don't depend on me, on any other sir. Please don't depend, friends. Nobody can improve your English language, friends. Only you can improve. So this is very important. Now friends, it is not matter that how much grammar you know, how much vocabulary you reached, how much structures you know. It is not matter, friends. It is matter that you are speaking English language, friends. If you are making some mistakes in English language, please don't worry, friends. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please try to speak English language. Please try to speak English language, friends. If you are making some mistakes, it means you are learning some things. You are growing yourself. You are improving yourself, friends. But if you are not doing mistakes, it means you are not making yourself. You are not improving yourself. You are not learning anything. This is the friends symbol of growing our friends. So this please understand, friends. You have to speak, friends. you know One question arises here that how will you start your speaking? Yes, how will you start your speaking, friends? How will you practice of speaking, friends? If you have friends, practice with him. Speak English with him, friends. But if you do not have your friends, please don't worry. Please don't worry, friends. Friends, you have you have a better friend than yourself, than your real friend. You have you have a better friend than your cell phone, because you have a better friend than your real friend, because friends, your real friend might run away. Yes, your real friend might run away, but your cell phone does not run away. You always have your cell phone. You always have your cell phone. Friends, please use it and learn English. Friends, if you speak in front of people, if you speak with your friends, you feel shy, you feel nervous, you feel hesitate while speaking. Friends, please speak English with yourself. Friends friends if you do friends if you speak 4 words in English language, 1 word Hindi language, it is accepted. Yes, it is accepted. So please, have you seen that people playing chess with themselves? Have you seen people playing chess with themselves? Friends, they play chess with themselves. They put 5 coin, then they go there. They put black coin, then they go there. Friends, you can speak English like this way. You can speak English to yourself. So this is very important. So friends, record yourself and see how you are looking. See, please identify your mistakes. Please identify your mistakes, friends. If you friends if you are a good student, you can identify your mistake easily, friends. I do not have any person who can guide me, who can identify my mistakes, friends. I am training under no supervision, and you can do this. So this is very important, friends. Keep one thing in your mind, friends. You have to speak for speaking. You have to speak, friends, for speaking. This is a simple way, friends. I can't say, please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets, one evening, one morning. After 10 days, good English. I can't say, friends. But remember one thing, that there is not such tablet in the market. There is not such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet in the market, that is work hard, friends. If you willing to improve your English language, you have to work hard. This is a simple way. So please don't depend on sir, don't depend on me. Please practice with yourself. Friends, we do anything from our heart, friends. Friends, friends, we do. And friends, this this is not a language. This is not a just language, friends. These are the ability, friends. These are the skills, friends. A person can learn 5 to 6 language easily. A person can learn 5 to 6 language easily. But friends, we do not need to learn 5 to 6 languages. Yes, we do not learn 5 to 6 language. We need to learn only one language, that is English. Yes, we need to learn only one language, friends. This is English, friends. Yes, friends, this is called Indian capability. Yes, this is called Indian ability, friends. Are you Indians or not? You will say yes sir. Why are you asking this question? We all are Indian here, friends. You can say Jangal Mangal, friends. It is not enough for being Indian, friends. being Indian show your qualities. Being Indian showing your qualities that you are in the medium. You are Indian. Friends, the entire world, the entire world tells us that Indians are very intelligent. Entire world tells us that Indians are very intelligent. But remember one thing that entire world tells us, and another things that Indians are very lazy. Friends, we do not have anything. Yes, we do not have anything, but friends, we do not have anything, but we don't practice anything. This is our problems. So please understand, friends. If I say speak in your mother tongue, you can speak very well, friends. If I say speak English, you can't speak, friends. You can't speak. This is the friends, because you never try to speak English language. You don't have experience of English language. So this is the problem, friends. This is the problem. Friends, this is a problem. I hope you have read Bhagavad Gita. I hope you have read Bhagavad Gita, friends. Do you know what did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita? Do you know what did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, friends? Krishna says that Krishna says that whatever you do in your life, whatever you do in your life, friends, do it efficiently. Friends, do it efficiently. Friends, if impact is going to, friends, if friends impact is comes, do it. Whatever you do in your life, please do it efficiently. If you come to impact, friends, if you come to impact, then learn efficiently. Friends, it is going to make your life, it is going to make you successful. Friends, please understand, friends. So we have something called, friends, mantra. Friends, mantra means that one word, friends, one word, and friends, speak at least 100 times and 200 times, which is called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Friends, your mantra is English speaking. Yes, your mantra is English speaking. Friends, your mantra is English speaking. Friends, as soon as get up early in the morning, and friends, you do puja, and you do bathing, and you do all these things. Friends, can you do all these things English language? Friends, if you can all these things, if you all these things, friends, it means, friends, you can learn these things. Friends, this is very important. You learn all these things, friends. You can, friends. you know Friends, if you do not practice one day, please don't sleep on that day. If you do not practice one day, please don't eat on that day. Please do not do anything on that day. On that day, do you have the motivation of this? And do you have motivation for this? If you have motivation, you can do anything in your life. You can achieve anything in your life. So this is very important. Now, friends, this is a simple way. Friends, this is very important. So friends, I told some things about English language, and I have shared my journey with all of you, friends. I hope you got ideas that what is the English language, how you should learn this language. So now, friends, so this is very important. Now, friends, I am talking about our next step. Yes, I am talking about our next steps. This is the, friends, yes, this is, friends. I am going to talk about, friends, education. Yes, I am going to talk about education, friends. First of all, please tell me what is the education. Please tell me what is the education, and what do you know the meaning of education? Do you know the meaning of education, and what is your thinking about education? Please tell me what is your thinking about education, friends. what is your opinions about education? And you can say, sir, getting knowledge means education, getting ideas means education. But friends, friends, education is not think that you think. Yes, education is not think that you think, friends. It is, friends, education means education is something that could, friends, help you. Education is something that could provide you a way to achieve something, to be successful in our life, friends. Friends, so education is the most important, friends. In case in case in which you are not educated, yes, you are not educated, friends, that means you are not able to pay your bills, you are not able to fulfill your dreams, you are not able to, friends, change the social outlooks, friends. You know, whatever, you know, whatever discrimination we all are facing in today's time, are you able to change that without education? Friends, obvious answer is no, for sure, friends. So this is very important, friends. No, in case if you want to change the mentality of a person, if you want to change the mentality of a person, and friends, you know, in case if you want to earn money, friends, in case to have luxurious life, in case to have luxurious, in case to have luxurious life, and friends, in case to have certain 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 freedom in your family, friends. So we can see that education is everywhere, friends. Education is everywhere, friends. So this is very important, friends. You know that, friends, someone is educated, friends, but no, he is not morally educated. Yes, he is not morally educated, friends, but you know, he is come down to earth. Yes, he is come down to earth. He is empathetic about a person's situation. Yes, he is empathetic about a person's situation. He is empathetic about a person's situation. You know, friends, that kind of person would be more favorable in the society. Yes, would be more favorable in the society, friends. We want such kind of people, friends. We want such kind of people. We do not want, friends, we do not want a person who is educated, who is making money, who is printing money all the time, friends. We do not want to such kind of people, friends. We want educated from his mind, from his soul, from his behavior. We want. So this is very important, friends. You know, friends, if you are educated, you can, friends, you have potential to bring the change the society. You have potential to help the society. So this is very important, friends. You know that if you think that you are not morally educated, yes, if you think that you are not morally educated, friends, friends, no, when you start realizing that you are not morally educated, friends, if you start realizing your mistakes, friends, then, friends, first of all, think that what are the qualities actually, what are the qualities actually you do not have. Yes, what are the qualities actually you do not have, friends? Please see. And friends, then go for it and do such activities, friends. Do such activities, friends, then indulge in your personality. Indulge in your personality. So this is very important, friends. So this is very important. Now, friends, education does not teach you that you are educated and you always thinking about yourself. You always thinking about your making money and making printing money. Friends, please do not think about this kind of these things. So this is very important. Now, friends, this kind of things, friends, no. So friends, please don't be like this, friends. Education teaches you that you are educated, and friends, you have potential to bring the change in the society. Education teaches you that how to be disciplined person and how to be good human, how to be friends, how to be kind of person. And friends, education teaches us that how to behave with society. Friends, how to fulfill our dreams and how to be able to earn money and how to stand on our own feet. So education teaches us, friends, with education we learn how to read, how to write, and how to speak in a proper manner. Friends, we learn so many things. Friends, you know education brings awareness in society and removes superstitions, yes, in the society. So it is very necessary for everyone. It is very necessary, friends. It is very necessary, friends. You are educated, friends. You are educated. You can make good decision for your future. You can make good decision for your future, friends. If you are not educated, friends, you are not able to make good decision for your future. This is the ability, friends. This is the ability, friends. Present time you are not educated, friends, you will face many difficulties in present time. So this is the problems in our society, friends. Friends, somebody said that you are not educated, it means you looks as an animal, you behaves as an animal, somebody said, friends. Yes, it is not I am saying, friends. It is called by, friends, it is called by Chanakya, friends. Chanakya said that somebody is not educated means he behaves, he looks as an animal, he behaves as an animal, he said, friends. So this is very important. Now, friends, I am moving on our next step, friends. It is very important, friends. If you are educated, friends, you can participate in government directly or indirectly. If you are not educated, friends, if you are not educated, friends, you can't participate in government directly or indirectly. You can't participate, friends. It's because, friends, we have right to get participate in government, friends. This is very important, friends. You can see that present time, there are so many countries, they are providing free education for their citizens because they want to make their citizens educated. Their they want make their citizens educated, friends. Like you can see that India is also providing free education for its citizens because it wants to make its citizens educated, friends. you know in India, friends, if you belong to India and if you are Indian, friends, you can get free education in India from first to 12th class. So this is the right, friends. It is not matter that someone is rich or poor. It is not matter that someone is rich or poor, friends, because everybody has right to get education. Yes, everybody has to right to get education, friends. Yes, it is not matter, friends, because this rights and, friends, it's given by our constitution, friends. Our constitution gives this right for our developing. We can develop our personality, and, friends, education, friends, builds our character. Yes, education builds our character. So this is very important. Now, friends, I told you, friends, about education, friends. No, I want to say something or more, friends. No, our constitution we have Article 14. Yes, we have Article 14, friends, which is, friends, which is, friends, which is called equality before the law, friends. Equality before the law, because which means that everybody is equal before the law. Yes, everybody is equal before the law, friends. But in the name of this gender equality, in the name of this equality. Friends, why we didn't even wonder why always are the men all these regions? Why men are the regions all these crimes? Why all are the men are regions all these crimes? Is not that concerning, guys? Is not that concerning, guys? Friends, my name, as I told you before, that my name is Neeraj Kumar. Friends, I am here at Nice Talk Institute, and friends, I am here to purpose of making up, make friends, make you aware, and friends, I tell you the friends problems of the society. Friends, there are so many people, there are so many problems are existence in our society, but one of them, this is very important. Friends, this is very important. We always talk about women equalities. Yes, we always talk about women equality. Yes, we always talk about women equality. Friends, which is almost important as other. Friends, which is almost always important as other. Friends, can we can we just talk about women men equality? Can we just talk about men equality? Can we just give few seconds of our life for this topic, men equality, friends? We can legally talk about this topic. Yes, we can legally talk about this topic, friends. You know that, friends, someone has beautifully quoted. Yes, someone has beautifully quoted that मर्द को कभी दर्द नहीं होता. Yes, someone has beautifully quoted, but I hope you guys heard this quotation many a times. I hope you guys heard this quotation many a times. Friends, why is it so? Why is it so? Why we have built up this typical notion? Why we have built up this typical notion? Why we have believed that men must not cry, men can't be fragile, and friends, men don't have emotion, men don't have feelings. Sir, are you not human? Are you not human? You don't have emotion, you don't have feelings. Why we have built up these typical notions? Why we have believed, friends, that men must not cry, men can't be fragile. Friends, friends, Mm, a man who comes up and who try to little bit cry, little bit show up his feeling, and friend try to show up his feeling, then millions of mouth, are always ready to say that they are weak, his loser, his just like a woman. And millions of mouth are always ready to say this line. So this, because we have built up this typical notions. We have built up this typical notions. Friends, it is good to have equal opportunity. It is good to have equal, friends. It is good to have equal opportunity, equal right. But friends, it is not always 50-50. Yes, it is not always 50-50. When sometime it could be 40-60, sometime it could be 90-10, 90 to 10. It sometime it could be 30 70. Friends, don't you guys believe me? Friends, don't you guys believe me? I am telling the reason. You have your father at your home, right? Your father, in the morning when you were coming here, friends, when you were coming here, did you ask, did you ask, did you did you ask your father and tell him, and what tell him that what you actually feel from to him from inside? Did you ever express your feeling that papa or my dad, you really matters to us? Did you express? Obvious answer is no, friends. But this is not your fault. Yes, this is not your fault, friends. The fault is the lies in the society. This is the fault is the lies in the society, friends. This is a lie in the society, friends, because we have built up these typical notions. We have believed, friends. We have believed, you know, like our father, who is earning money, who is working day or night, who is earning money to provide nourishment to his family, to his wife, to his every person of his family. But friends, you know friends, still he has zero acceptation from any of us. He has zero acceptation from any of us, because we are not giving anything. Yes, we are not giving anything. Yes, friends, we are not giving anything. So this is very important. So friends, I am telling something more things about the men. You know friends, man, when friends, man, when man gives a commitment, man gives a commitment to a girl. Friends, a man gives a commitment to a girl. Friends, if he fails to fulfill it, friends, if he fails to fulfill it, friends, he could be sentenced to jail in the rape case. He could be sentenced to jail in the rape case. Friends, but do you know that there is there is not even single constitutional law. There is not even single constitutional law that made for women that if she fails to fulfill it, their his her commitment, there could be certain action would be taken. There is not even single constitutional law, friends. There is not, friends. So this is very important. Friends, friends, women should be equally educated. Women should be equally independent. Friends, women, she is living good life. His women, she is living good life with her family, with her children, with her husband. But friends, we could not imagine life of man. Friends, we could not imagine life. We could not imagine man life of man. Friends, you know without having job, being friends, without having job, without having this pressure, without having money, we could not imagine. Friends, we could not imagine. you know Still we are ignoring, still we are thinking that man would be reject always. We are thinking, friends, we are thinking, friends. So friends, I will say only one thing, that friends, all men are not wrong, and not all women are right. Yes, not all women are right. Yes, friends, not women are right. Friends, here I didn't speak anything against women. Here I didn't speak against anything women. Friends, yes, we didn't speak anything against women. Friends, yes, friends, this is very important. Friends, friends, problems comes in our life. Yes, problems comes in our life. Friends, first of all, please tell me that and excuse me, sir, how would you consider it? Consider, how would you consider it? You will say, I would consider as an issue, as I would consider it as an issue. Sir, please don't consider it as an issue. Friends, don't consider, friends, consider it as an blessing. Consider it as an motivation. Consider it as an opportunity, that yes, this is the thing. Yes, this is the thing that I really want to change in my life. I want to change of the society, not by alone. Friends, we have to change this thing together. Friends, from the society, we have to change this thing together from the society. Friends, so this is very important. you know Friends, problems comes in our life. We are the one how to deal with it. How to deal with it. How to deal with it. Friends, we are the one. Friends, we are the one, even for a child, that what is the biggest problem for him, friends? If he does not complete his homework, it is the biggest problem for him. But we could not we could not compare this problem with society problems. We could not compare, friends. So this is very important. Now, friends, this is all. This is what from my side, friends. This is what from. So this is very important. Now, friends, we will meet in the next video, friends. Please do in comment how do you like this video. Please do in comment how do you like this video. Please do in comment how do you like this video.